So in this video today, I'm going to be changing out this edger blade. Most edger blades are on a similar system as this one. This one happens to be the FC91 curved shaft edger. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find this hole in the shaft. Along with this, you're going to line it up and use one of the tools that came with your edger, or you can use a screwdriver or something that will fit in that will hold that in place. I'm going to use this one, and that just keeps the blade from spinning. It locks it in place. You're going to get a tool that will fit your nut, and then you're going to turn this clockwise, and that's going to loosen it. So once you have that loosened, you're just going to loosen it more until this nut comes off. So if you got the nut off, take off your guard piece, take off your edger blade. Then you're going to put on your new edger blade, put your guard piece back on, put your nut on, turning it counterclockwise, hand tighten it, get your tool again, turn it counterclockwise to tighten, and that's how you install an edger blade on most edgers.